I pick the mic up, strike up the symphony. It's hip-hop, but we're doing it differently. It's like I had an epiphany, manifestation of the divine. But an awe-inspiring vision is lost upon the blind as they lead each other off of the path into the ditch. Mortals sacrifice their poor souls to get rich, stepping on the next man to get farther. It leaves a bad taste in my mouth, so I spit harder. And as the threat of war looms in the forefront more, they wanna know what's going on behind your front door. And more I'm feeling out of place in this country like a metric ruler. But I'm still dropping gems like an epileptic jeweler, cause the forces that we're dealing with are heavenly. We definitely got the superior weaponry, so push your mitts toward the atmosphere. Leave your worries right here if you're sick and tired of living in fear. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Yeah, now wave them in the air like you don't have a fear. Get up out your chair, put your fist like this, and now make your head nod. God is my witness. Come on, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Yeah, now wave them in the air like you don't have a fear. Get up out your chair, put your fist like this, and now make your head nod. God is my witness. I couldn't work away from home, tireless, roam like a wireless phone. Inscribe the law on my heart of stone. Watch in amazement as it turned to clay. Briars and thorns burned away as gradually I learned to stay upon the narrow path, straight as an arrow shaft. The pillar of cloud before and the armies of Pharaoh aft. But put a microphone in my hand, then I can extend it toward the Red Sea and cross over my dry land. Strike kings and underlings alike as they cower under lightnings and thunderings, frightening. They're wondering who's gonna be cleaning this mess of it all y'all made while pondering the meaninglessness of it all. Now witness the paradigm shift as the sands of time sift. I gotta keep focused, can't let my mind drift. Grit my teeth and push the limits till I can't play the game anymore. We've all been given the same 24, but it's not what you're given, it's what you do with it. The fact that you're living is what the truth is. So while I'm here, I'm taking care of business. I'm taking no prisoners. God is my witness. Come on, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Yeah, now wave them in the air like you don't have a care. Get up out your chair, put your fist like this, and I'll make your head nod. God is my witness. Here's a little story I got to tell about three bad brothers you know so well. You know I'm paying homage to the classics. Bomb kids with my tactics to free them from their bondage to the whackness that's artificially stimulating like crystal meth. But no matter how prettily packaged, it's still death. Infanticide is romanticized. I'm reaping the whirlwind with nothing to stand beside, but I'm firm in my conviction. Though circumstances may determine my position, in space and time I won't be turning from my mission. I can't afford to be concerned with indecision. These naysayers are just confirming my suspicion that it's gonna be alright regardless of the fact that this world is heartless. The harvest is plentiful though the workers are few, but God is my witness, by his strength we'll make it through. Throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Yeah, now wave them in the air like you don't have a care. Get up out your chair, put your fist like this, and now make your head nod. God is my witness. Come on, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. Yeah, now wave them in the air like you don't have a care. Get up out your chair, put your fist like this, and now make your head nod. God is my witness.